linking, ready to go.
Yes, they're ready.
Take off flaps.
Oh, the afterburner LEDs.
Yeah. So it's linking just sitting there.
Yeah, that's what they do, letting you know they've got power. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, I mean, I've had it where they
Gear up, flaps up.
Gyro, yes, no?
Yes, it helped a lot on this plane.
Yeah.
Because it had this really weird little wiggle that it would do.
Gyros really help smooth out an airplane, especially the jets.
The real ones have it, why wouldn't you put them in these?
I love the outline of that airplane.
That's what it is about this thing. It's not the fastest, it's not the most efficient, but it just looks really cool. Especially when there's more than one flying.
Yep.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Does it do outside loops well or not?
I've never tried it. It's kind of an under-cambered wing, so I don't know if it really would like to do it.
Yeah. You have a 5,000 in there?
Time
Yep.
remaining 1 minute.
This is your 6S?
This is 6S. This is the one I settled on.
But it's Guniac. It's been breathed on by Guniac.
Guniac modified. Yeah.
So this is what I settled on. I like the power, but it does use a lot, so
Time remaining 31 seconds.
I'll eventually
30 seconds.
change it up to something else.
You get 4 minutes?
3.
Yeah, that's all I get in mine, and it's not as fast as yours.
Gear down.
Watch the sun there, lad.
Oh, I see it.
Holy cow.
Got no choice. It's right there. I can't move it.
What sun?
10.
My eyes
Landing
can't see.
flaps. 9,
son.
8, 7,
Look past all those spots in your eyes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's that crosswind.
Flaps up.
Usually fly the crap out of that thing.
I haven't flown much. I mean,
All right, there you go. All yours.